Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The oven light socket holds the bulb in place and connects it to power. If the socket is faulty, then the light might not work. In this episode, we'll test the socket and light together with a multimeter. Then we'll see how to install a new socket. Let's get started. To begin, you might need a screwdriver, a nut driver, gloves, and a multimeter. Always be safe and disconnect the power at the breaker. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Gently pull the range slightly away from the wall. As soon as there's enough room, go in behind and unplug it from the receptacle. Make sure that there isn't too much tension on the cord. Now, slide the range all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the oven is a cover panel. Some models have a small panel near the top and a larger panel near the bottom. Now remove the screws. The panel will likely be sitting on several hooks. Simply lift up to remove the panel. If you already know that the light bulb is good, then you can test the light socket and bulb together. A continuity test will determine if there's a continuous path for electricity to flow through. Without continuity, the light will not work. Locate the socket and disconnect the wires. Set your multimeter to the ohms or resistance setting. Now touch the probes to each terminal. If the multimeter has no reading and no continuity, then you'll have to replace the light socket. Alternatively, if the socket and light have continuity and your light still doesn't work, then it's likely an issue with one of the switches. You can see how to troubleshoot this in the video linked below. To replace the light socket, you'll first have to remove the light bulb from inside the oven. Unscrew or pop out the lens cover. Now remove the light bulb. With the wires disconnected, simply press the tabs together and push the socket forward. In some models, you'll have to release the tabs from inside the oven. Now remove the old socket. Push the new socket into the hole until it snaps into place. Next, screw in the light bulb. Now replace the lens cover. Finally, reconnect the wires to the socket. Align the back panel and replace the screws. Now plug in the cord and push the range back into place. Next, reconnect the power. Now you can test your oven. If this still didn't solve your problem, then check out our troubleshooting videos linked in the description below. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.